Me branching. Well, it's in it, like, put everything. Enhance. Like, everything's like a humongous bigger. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. You're like fighting it. It's like the Joker's face. That doesn't make it too much. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh.
No, I did one back.
Okay.
One more. Okay. So that works.
Oh my gosh. We don't need that much.
Mine broke.
Hold on. Lower the detail. Looks like a bunch of just weird old scribbles.
Yeah, it's really You're still recording.
Yeah, I am. Well, I'm recording another chunk. I know, and you're learning about this. So heck. That looks better. Let's start from the beginning. Forget to add the mirror to it. Where'd it go? Storage. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be creepy looking.
What's the name?
That is so crazy. Let's see what else we can do to it.
That was the butt. That was the butt.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
my god.
Sphere eyes. Make it all spherical. Radius.
Spirit.
Whoa.
You didn't do it.
I had to kind of.
No, you didn't do it.
Oh.
It's a 0.
Good. Apparently I'm going to go and build some houses. You just have to sucker me into volunteering.
You don't do this, you're a terrible person.
Build house.
You're going to Hades. You don't build houses.
That is so creepy.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Look, did you get paid?
No. It's Habitat for Humanity. They're not
I
gonna.
don't like this sphere eyes one.
Don't do it.
You're a volunteer.
Huh?
You're a volunteer.
Exactly.
Should be happy you're helping children.
Build an entire house.
No, what the? Undo.
You have fun, Corey.
Alright, let's just remove all the effects.
Maybe I'll help you.
I just love the original though. Look at that. Wow. We can import that other one.
I'm gonna go put my computer down.
Okay. Put it down. Kill it. You're gonna kill your computer.
Like it's not alive.
Oh my gosh.
You got the once more. Yeah. So the same meaning. Yeah. I got you. You mean like enrage or? Gorge.
It's a new one.
Throw in there somewhere. It's a little violent for my taste. There's something to it. Like I said, this one really intrigues me. I like it. It's almost like, always like the blog hero. The all true heroes are blogs.
Wow.
I think that's right.
I have to show Kelly this one. No, you're gonna laugh so hard when you see this. Come on, Kelly. Did you say pregnant? I thought you said pregnant. Kelly, look. Watch it.
Okay, say that. I'm not even kidding. Say that. We'll be like the combination or the double matrix. I don't know why.
I'm trying to think of like the perfect music to play with it. So hold on, I'm gonna find like some funny music for it.
Are you saving all these videos? You're just like recording on and off?
I'm saving these on my phone. I'm trying, yeah, something by Coheed and Cambria. I'm just not sure what. Maybe not. Dropkick Murphys. Flames. No, the Killers.
They shall be looked into.
Okay, try to find something funny. Oh my gosh.
Shut me up.
I don't have Shut Me Up on here, but I got this.
I think. So this is talking about.
See how this looks like.
Mayor, I was trying to get not talking about things different. And this is talking about things.
Doesn't really go with it.
That like went perfect with the timing.
One girl, one boy. I don't know how that goes. What?
Did he?
Says one girl, one boy. Give it a
Look, it's big.
Okay. I can get some music too. Miracle. Oh my god.